We're going to talk about words that describe actions. Our learning target says, I can understand and determine the meaning of words that describe actions. Verbs are action words. They describe exactly what someone or something is doing. Look up verbs you do not know in the dictionary. Min dashed past the hikers. Dashed is an action word. It is a verb. Min is doing that action. He climbed the hill. Climbed is an action word. He is doing the action. At the top, a deer was nibbling on the grass. Nibbling is a verb. It's an action word. A deer was doing the action. Min looked at the beautiful view. Looked is an action word. Min was doing that action. Here's another example. The hikers hobbled along the trail. Hobbled is the verb, and the hikers were the ones doing the action.